is this coming from?
Welcome to part 2 of my birthday trip to Colorado. Part 1 takes us to the hot springs in Glenwood Springs, but today we are heading back to Denver. But before we depart, we got some yummy breakfast at Rosie's Little Bavarian restaurant, which was literally a parking lot over from our stay. And now we're heading back to Denver. We couldn't help but stop along the way to take in the beautiful mountainscape. I'm pretty sure we stopped like 3 times. It was so hard not to.
There's these little dumb mosquito things that are just flying all over us. Oh my. Whoa, where is this coming from? This is kind of crazy. Oh, I have it all over my face. Dude, there's like thousands of them. That was crazy. Oh my God. All right. Let's get out of here. All right, guys. So after 3 hours, we are finally here at Denver. Crazy highways. So windy, but
and lots of traffic.
Yeah, lots of traffic. We're only gonna be here maybe like an hour. We gotta go check in, and then we'll explore a little bit more later. How is it?
It's good.
Yeah?
We got the strawberry matcha latte.
Oh wow, look at this. They have these little fishies. It's big pebbles that you can sit on. It's a life size. Pretty cool. I like it.
It's pretty cool because they have this screen right here. All right, what you looking for?
Just looking to see what else there is.
It's pretty cool because it's pretty damn big. All right, so we're at a vintage store. Hopefully you can hear me. It's pretty cool. Lots of shirts, a lot of old things like vintage CDs, Pokemon tags. That's pretty cool. And the cool thing is a bar here. So if you buy something, you can actually get a free shot. You gonna do it? Trying to act all good. Wow, they have Connect 4. So cool. Here we go. All right, we're gonna play. Who's gonna win? So you won because you have the most straights?
I have the most threes.
No, I have 1, 2, and 3.
4.
That's not, we didn't play it like that. We don't play it like that. I have successfully connected my drone, but I have to do a firmware update and it's taking 10,000 years. She's not happy. She is hangry. Right?
We eventually got some wings for dinner, but they were honestly pretty disappointed, so we didn't get any footage of it. However, we immediately cheered up catching the sunset at the Lookout Mountain.
All right, guys. Good morning. Today is the day we go hiking at the Rocky Mountains. Yes! Ready to see more amazing views. And hopefully, we'll swim at Lake Hiawatha. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but Hiawatha. We're gonna go eat first. Gonna go to eat at Chick-fil-A. This is our breakfast. Maybe not good before a hike, but whatever. Tastes good.
Bear spray secured. Now we are heading to the trail.
She thinks I'm being too preventative, overly cautious.
I didn't want to drop like $50 on a bear spray. If you are traveling to Colorado for the first time, I would say buy bear spray on Amazon for cheap. And plus the bottle that we got was pretty big. Luckily we have to get a check-in bag anyways. So we're able to put that in our check-in bag, but if we only had like a carry-on, then we probably wouldn't have been able to bring it back.
Yeah.
And another tip, I would say share your location with someone that you know that's not going on a trip with you, just in case anything happens. It's just for safety precautions. Cool. Can't wait to show you guys.
Alright guys, so we have made it to Bear Lake. So we have to hike a bit, maybe like 2-3 miles, and then we'll reach the lake. But I mean, already look at the backdrop. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Waiting on wifey right now, she's at the restrooms. But yeah, I'm ready to get this hike going. Ready to see all that nature has to offer here. Where you're going. Alright, we're not even like 15 minutes in.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
It's definitely a hike. We're still out of shape. And yeah, it's a steady incline, so kind of taking it slow.
Yeah. You know, the good thing is we're starting literally like halfway of the mountain versus the bottom of the mountain.
Yeah.
So that is a big ups.
And it's only 2 miles there. So we just got to a first lake here. It's the Nymph Lake. I have the All Trails app, so it's telling me that. So we are quarter way to our destination.
Guys, we made it to our destination. You see the water over there? Down here. Ooh, we got some Slim Jims. Look at that. And we have a duck right here. Probably looking for food. Making our way back, guys. Very rocky. Just be careful when you guys come. Good job, wifey. Just be careful, y'all. Alright, I can actually vlog with you guys with my main camera. Finally, and not be out of breath. I'm still out of breath, but it's a lot easier going down, as you know, but still got the weights on the back. But it's about 4:15 or so. It's been about what, maybe 3.5 hours or so. It should be a lot quicker going down, and maybe I should watch my steps, and so I don't trip and fall like on yesterday, because she did fall yesterday. I just didn't record it. But you survived. You survived. You guys wondering how many steps I took? Take a look at this. Almost reached 3 miles, 14,54 steps. And actually it was almost 6 miles. How you doing, wifey? Feeling okay?
Pretty tired, to be honest.
Yeah? Your legs hurt?
Yeah, my feet hurt.
Wow. But you got it. Yeah. Was this harder than Mount Washington?
No way.
No way, right?
No
It's
way.
a lot easier.
Unfortunately, we weren't allowed to swim or fly our drone in the Rocky Mountains. However, we really wanted to get some drone shots, so we drove around trying to find a spot. And just before the sun started to set, we lucked out with a spot on the side of the road. It was such an amazing ending to our hiking day.
guys, look at this. What is this?
Oh my gosh, the big one with the male one is on the road.
Look at this guy. God, look at his antlers, bro. That's crazy. Okay, maybe that's not moose. I don't know what that is.
What is that?
Elk?
I
Elk.
think it's an elk.
Elk. This is an elk.
You're so wrong. Holy crap. Jeez.
What the heck, guys? This is crazy. Oh, somebody's car. Shoot.
Even more. Holy crap.
There's more, guys. What in the world?
You gotta go up hungry.